Today we're looking at the Moxon bench holdfast. Now, serious woodworkers reckon these need to be ultra high carbon steel of the finest quality, when in fact any old piece of scrap steel will do, just so long as it's forged and bent to a specific shape. I mean, this is EN1APB and does give a very functional holdfast. So we got a piece of wood, always use a piece of scrap in between. And give it a tap. Nothing too heavy, put your hand underneath and pull down on the bar. This beds it in as you hit it and stops it bouncing up. And that gives a good tight grip, good enough for sewing and for chisel work. And of course the holdfast is quite easily removed with a light tap. We're only using a very small wooden hammer. This one, or this mallet, is based on one from Novgorod in Russia, 13th century. The Moxon bench holdfast.